到什么地方了？
How long is the processing time? How soon that they will know?
送到什么地
The
方？
deadline date to submit the application is October the 11th.
所以
More likely than not, the lottery will be 2 weeks after that. We have not set a lottery date yet, but we will. We have some issues that we need to work out.
所以呢，最后一天他们收你的申请表格是10月11号，是最后一天收。可是收齐了以后呢，通常是大概2个礼拜后他们才抽签才抽签。那所以呢，可是真正抽签的日子你还不知道。但是您如果要申请10月11号之前，一定要把表格送进去。And we have a question. Where do they turn in the application?
Oh, very good. Okay. It's right here. It's the last. Yeah, it's called Sequoia Manor. It's located at 40789 Fremont Boulevard. They will accept applications from 9 to 12 and from 1 to 4.
OK， 所以呢，把表格送在哪里？您看到这里吗？这里有4个不同的地址，最后面的这个 Sequoia Manor 就是您要把表格送进去的地方。然后呢，他们只收件到下午是1点到4点，然后早上是9点到11点。早上是9点到11点，然后中午休息。下午是1点到4点，他们又收件，到4点就不收了，所以是送到这里 Sequoia Manor， 把表格送到这里。10月11号。有房子是不是不能申请？如果老人有房子，距离比较近。If you already have a house, can you still apply? 所以这是给 low income。Yeah.
The income is that for the entire occupancy? In other words, if there are 4 people in there and say the income, that's the maximum?
For a 4-person household?
Yeah,
Yes.
it would be the total of all the occupancy.
Correct. Of all the adults over 18 and over.
Okay. The second question is, what's the difference between affordable housing? You said there are 2 considerations.
Do you want to answer? You want to?
OK，
And then I'll answer your question. It's a good one.
他的问题是，因为我们刚刚这位女士问到说，那如果这个老人本身已经有房子，还可以申请吗？不行，因为这个是给就是说低收入的负担房屋，所以如果你已经有其他的房子，你就不可以申请。然后呢，他又问了我们另外这位女士问了说，那这里有说你的收入是多少，然后多少人，那是不是这个收入是说，比如说我们看到说5个人，然后30% income 是29,910块的，是对5个人总共的收入，因为有可能这个家庭5个人里面有3个人有工作，那这3个人的工作加起来是不可以超过29,910的，所以这个收入是based on要住进来的这些人 total 加起来不可以超过，这个是讲的是 maximum 不是 minimum。
Oh, I need to answer the other part of
那
her
他还有一
question.
个问题，先让他回答完再说。
So her question to me was this. Why is there different levels of rent? What is really affordable? So take a look at the sheet. Do you see where it says 1 bedroom right under the picture? 1 bedroom. And it says $394 to $669. So there are the majority of the apartments will be renting for about $394, or a third of somebody's income. Okay, and then there is, I believe, about 10 units that will be renting, 10 one-bedrooms that will be renting for $669. Okay, so the way that it's going to work is this. Oh, okay, so the way that it's going to work is this, is that they are going to be selecting names through a lottery process. The first set that they're going to be placing in those units are the people that are at extremely low income. So it's really important that when you complete the application, you check off all the right boxes. Because if you end up checking the wrong box, what will happen is that when they process you, and if you don't qualify for this, they're going to end up tossing you over to this other side, and this other side you're not going to get priority because they're going to already have selected some, people for that form, for that lottery. So it's very careful. You need to be very careful. You need to understand this is not your net income. This is your gross. And how you determine income is that you take your current, whatever your current monthly income is, not your tax return, just your current, and you multiply it out by 12, and it's called projected income. We use projected income to determine somebody's income, not your tax return.
Did you count the savings?
That's a whole other question. They will ask for that. Yes, your savings will be factored in as well. What they will factor in is the interest that you draw on the savings.
好，那这位女士她在一个问题就是说，我们看到说在这个图片下面有讲到说，一个 bedroom 的这个房租呢有394块到669块，怎么同样是一个 bedroom 的有这么个差别呢？因为不要忘了，这是要给 low income， 对不对？那 low income 有可能我一年只赚1万块的，我来申请，可是也有一年赚8000块，他也来申请，对不对？那所以都是 low income。可是比如说 low income 的标准，那他说15000以下都算 low income 的话，那14000的人也还是 low income 吗？可是14000的就一定是比8000块就多了6000块，所以它的 range 我们不要忘了是 based on 你的 percentage， 所以才会有300多块到600多块的。所以基本上你的 range， 你的房租就是你的 income 的 percent 去算的。那我们这位先生又问了说，那我没有房子，可是如果我有savings， 我有存款，那算不算？算，因为你的存款有利息，利息就算是你的收入。
Yeah, here says 30%, 40%, 50% income limit. What does that mean?
Okay. Did everybody understand the question? Okay. 20%. Why are income set at 20%?
30%,
30%. Oh no, it's 30%, 40%, and 50%.
Yeah.
Because there are units that are set aside for households at 30%. There are some other units, a certain number of units that are set aside at 40%, and some other units that are set aside at 50%. And the reason why there are so many different income levels is because there were so many different funding sources for this particular development. And it's usually the funding source that will dictate exactly what the rents are and what the income levels are. So, bottom line is this: affordable housing takes a whole lot of financing to construct. It's not that simple. It's very complex. And it's very hard to find.
那我们刚刚看到说，房租同样一个 bedroom 从300多到600多，那这位先生又说，可是我没有看到说，你不是说是靠收入吗？那收入为什么又有那种30%的、40%的、50%的呢？因为最主要这个可负担房屋，它在盖的时候呢，是靠政府各个不同单位的资助那个资金进来的，所以呢，这个资金就会影响到说它的 percent 是怎么样去算的，好，所以呢，这就是没有办法，它就是这样算。可是基本上就是说，它就是要看你的 income。还有重要一点就是这个 income 看的是 gross income， 不是 net income， 就是税前的。你不要想说，我是12000，然后是缴税后，那缴税前可能是15000，它是看你15000，不是看你缴税后的12000。好，这是很重要的一点。
请问一下，这是光是给阿拉米达 county 还是其他 county 都可以来申请？
基本上是给 Fremont 而已。
给 Fremont。
So her question is that will other people from different counties or even different cities apply?
Yes, they can. Yes. Yes, they can.
Yes.
Even from different counties?
Yes. Yes.
可以
street on this Fremont Boulevard, where the,
Peralta.
oh, okay, then it is on the Peralta, not on the Fremont Boulevard.
It's on Peralta.
Yeah, because the address is Fremont Boulevard.
To submit your application.
Oh, I see.
It's a different location.
Oh,
It's very different. Yeah, it's like 2 or 3 miles away.
okay.
It's not the same location. It's still being built.
所以呢，我们这位先生的问题是，到底是在 Peralta 还是在 Fremont？那不要忘记了 ，Fremont 只是你去交表格的地方，真正的 apartment 是盖在 Peralta，其实就是在 Peralta 靠近 Fremont 的交叉口，就是靠近那个火车站的那个地方。
Okay. Are there any other questions?
Yes.
Yes.
So I understand the chart.
Okay.
If I were one person looking for a single apartment, then I could not have an income larger than $32,350. Is that correct?
That's correct.